Okay, so have you ever gotten that feeling where things are kind of shifting?
Yeah.
Yeah, like when you see a little bit of buzz and you think, okay, something big is about to happen. Well, that's what it feels like in the blockchain space right now.
Totally.
Something's brewing, and one name that keeps coming up over and over is this BlockDAG network.
It's everywhere right now.
Yeah. So we decided to go right to the source and check out this post they put up on Medium.
Okay.
It's called "The Global Takeover Has Begun. BlockDAG is 72 hours from making history."
Catchy title.
I know, right? So today, let's just try to cut through the hype and all that and figure out what's really important here for us to understand.
Sounds good.
So right off the bat, the central claim is staring us right in the face,
Yeah. Global takeover. Pretty bold.
Exactly. So BlockDAG is saying that their global takeover has officially begun, but what really stood out to me was that emphasis on it having already begun.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
It's not about promises for the future.
Yeah.
They're saying this is happening now with actual tangible progress.
Like they're putting their money where their mouth is.
Exactly. So what was your first reaction when you saw that core message?
Well, I thought it was interesting how they're kind of going against the typical blockchain narrative.
How so?
Well, you know how a lot of crypto projects are always talking about the future and all the amazing things that are going to happen.
Oh, yeah. Always the next big thing.
Exactly. But BlockDAG is flipping the script and saying, hey, this is already happening.
Right.
And they're pointing to real things they're doing right now to back it up.
Show, don't tell.
Exactly. It's a smart way to build momentum and make it feel relevant right now.
And they don't waste any time hitting us with some big numbers to back that up.
Oh, yeah.
They're reporting that 800,000 users have joined their X1 miner app.
Wow.
And get this, over 200,000 of those are actively mining.
That's a lot of people.
Yeah, it's a pretty substantial level of early engagement.
Definitely.
And they make a point of saying these aren't just dormant accounts or anything. They're talking about active participants.
Well, that's good to see.
Yeah, for sure.
I mean, in a space where there's so much hype, it's refreshing to see actual people,
Getting involved. Yeah.
actually using the tech. So that number of active users at this stage, it's pretty notable.
Yeah, it definitely suggests that there's some real interest in what BlockDAG is doing.
Totally.
Okay, so to give us a better picture of all this activity, they talk about this live world map they have.
I saw that.
Yeah, so apparently you can actually see where all this mining is taking place around the world in real time.
No way, that's cool.
It is pretty cool, and they mentioned specific cities lighting up on the map.
Like where?
Well, they mentioned Tokyo, Toronto, Lagos, and London.
Wow, so it's truly global.
Yeah, it really paints this picture of a network that's already pretty spread out,
Makes you think it's not just some small beta test anymore.
Exactly.
They're going big.
Right, so this brings us to what they call a critical 72-hour window.
Oh yeah, leading up to Friday, March 28th.
You got.
They really make it sound like a huge deal.
They do, don't they? They're positioning it as a potential turning point.
For who?
Not just for them, but maybe for the whole blockchain space.
Interesting. So what exactly makes this 72-hour period so important?
Well, they highlight two key events that are going to happen during this time.
Okay.
First up is the launch of their testnet.
Ah, the testnet. So they're finally ready to let people try it out.
Exactly. So for anyone who's not familiar with this, a testnet is basically a trial version of the network.
Right.
Think of it like a sandbox where developers and users can test out the tech.
Okay.
Send transactions and things like that.
So they can see how it works in the real world.
Yeah, but without using real money, it's all for testing.
Right, like a safe space to experiment.
Exactly. And this testing phase is crucial because it helps them identify and fix any bugs.
Before they go live with the real thing.
Right, because once the main network is up and running.
Yeah, you don't want any surprises.
Exactly.
It makes sense to test everything thoroughly first.
Okay, so they've been talking about their focus on speed scalability and real-world functionality.
For a while now.
Yeah, for a year, they say.
So this testnet is where they actually prove that it all works.
Yep, it's about moving beyond just talking about it.
Right, and actually showing what the tech can do.
Exactly.
Tangible evidence.
Okay, so the second big event is the premiere of Keynote 3.
Ooh, Keynote 3.
Now, they're making it very clear that this isn't going to be your typical blockchain announcement.
Really? How so?
They're calling it a Hollywood-level production.
Wow, that's ambitious.
I know, right? And they say the goal is to tell a story.
Interesting.
And paint a much broader vision for BlockDAG.
So they're going for a more cinematic approach.
Yeah, it seems like they really want to stand out.
Well, it makes sense.
Yeah.
Blockchain can be pretty technical and hard to understand for the average person.
Totally. And I think they're trying to change that.
Yeah, make it more relatable.
They specifically mentioned culture access and global adoption as central themes.
So it's about more than just the technology itself.
Right, they're trying to connect it to everyday life and make it feel more human.
I like that approach, you know?
Me too. It's refreshing.
Yeah, instead of just talking about code and algorithms, they're trying to show how it can impact people's lives.
Okay, so now let's talk about the BDAG 800 bonus.
Okay, what's that?
So they're offering a 400% bonus in their BDAG tokens.
Ooh, 400%.
Yep, for any purchases made before the launch on Friday.
That's a huge incentive.
Yeah, they give some examples, like if you buy $1,000 worth of BDAG, you'll actually get $5,000 worth.
Wow, and what if you buy $10,000?
You'd get $50,000 worth.
Okay, that's a lot of potential upside.
Yeah, it is, but of course,
There are always risks with crypto.
Of course, and they make it very clear that this early bird window closes permanently after Friday.
Right, got to get in early.
Exactly. It's all about creating that sense of urgency.
Makes sense.
They also mentioned that they've already raised over $206 million in their pre-sale.
Wow, $206 million.
Yeah, and they attribute it to investors who understand the importance of timing in this space.
So people are really betting big on this.
It seems that way.
Well, that's a good sign. It shows a lot of confidence in the project,
For sure.
especially at this early stage.
Now, for an interesting comparison,
Yeah, what's that?
they say that BlockDAG is going from being just a project to
Yeah.
a full-blown movement.
Wow, a movement. That's a strong word.
Oh, right.
So what are they comparing this to?
Well, they draw parallels to pivotal moments for Bitcoin in 2017 and Ethereum in 2020.
Ah, okay. So like when those cryptocurrencies really started to take off.
Exactly. And they point to their 800,000 plus users,
Yeah.
the $206 million they've raised, and the global participation they're seeing as evidence of this shift.
So they're basically saying they're on a similar trajectory.
It seems that way. They believe they're at a tipping point.
It's bold to compare themselves to giants like Bitcoin and Ethereum.
Yeah, it definitely shows a high level of ambition.
But they seem to have the numbers to back it up so far.
That's true, and the piece ends with some pretty pointed questions.
Oh, like what?
Some's like, will you be part of it? Or will you be the person reading about it after the fact?
Yeah, I saw that.
And then they hit us with, that's when everything changed.
Powerful stuff.
Right, it's a clear appeal to that fear of missing out,
Totally. I think it's smart they're tapping into that feeling that a lot of people have probably experienced with crypto.
Exactly, that feeling of, oh man, I wish I had gotten in earlier.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so let's recap all of this for everyone.
Yep.
BlockDAG Network is announcing what they call the beginning of their global takeover.
Right.
They have a massive user base of 800,000 people on their X1 miner app.
With over 200,000 actively mining.
Exactly, and they have that live map to show us all the activity happening around the world.
It's pretty impressive.
Yeah, and they're emphasizing this crucial 72-hour period leading up to Friday, March 28th.
Right when they'll launch their testnet.
Yep, to show off their technology speed and scalability.
And let's not forget about Keynote 3.
Oh yeah, that big Hollywood-style production.
They're really trying to make blockchain more accessible and relatable.
Exactly, they want to break out of that techie bubble.
And they're offering that huge 400% bonus on BDJG tokens for anyone who buys in before the launch.
Yeah, and they're not shy about mentioning that $206 million they raised in their pre-sale.
Well, they have a right to brag a little.
Yeah, I mean, that's a significant amount of money.
It shows that a lot of people believe in what they're doing.
Okay, so they're comparing themselves to major players like Bitcoin and Ethereum.
Saying they're transitioning from a project to a movement.
Right, and with all this early momentum and these big events coming up, it makes you wonder,
But what?
what if they actually pull it off?
Yeah, what if BlockDAG really does achieve the kind of impact they're aiming for?
Imagine what that could mean for the blockchain world.
It could be huge.
Right,
Yeah.
and with so many people already using their platform, think about the potential for real-world applications.
That's what I'm most curious about. If their technology is as good as they say it is, we could see some really innovative stuff coming out of this.
Absolutely. This is definitely something to keep a close eye on.
Agreed.
There's a lot happening here, and it'll be interesting to see how it all unfolds.
Definitely a story worth following.